Hello friends, in this series of videos we are solving the SQL 50 interview problems. So in this video we'll solve, we have already solved around 10 problems in the series. We have already solved the elaborate time of process per machine. In this video we'll solve employee bonus problem. So let's look at the problem. In table we are given a table called employee which has four attributes: the employee ID name, supervisor, and the salary. And employee ID is probably the primary key. Yeah, it is the unique key. We are also given one more table bonus, which has the two attributes: employee ID and bonus. And employee ID references to the is a foreign key which references to the primary key in the employee table. What we need to do? So we need to write a solution that reports name and bonus amount of each employee with a bonus less than 1,000. And also we need to return the result table in any order. So we need to report the employees who have a bonus of less than 1,000. So let's move on to the editor part. Yeah, so I already have, in the interest of time, stored these values. Yeah. So we need to return all the employees. The important thing to notice over here is all the employees who have bonus less than 1,000, right? So you since it is this means since there are only two tables right present over here. In case of big databases, you will have an ER diagram where you can have multiple tables. So first you will need to identify that what all things I need, right? So I need for this case I need a name and a bonus, right? If you could see the output, if you can see the output, we need name and bonus. So now name is present in this table and bonus is present in bonus table, right? So definitely we need to join the tables. We are sure for that. Now the joins are of two types, inner or outer. What how can we decide that what type of join we should use over here? So we have all the employee IDs present over here. We have some employee IDs present in the bonus table also. So now in the question we are told that we need to print all the employees who have a bonus of less than 1,000. So definitely we need all the employees ID, all the employee ID associated with employee table, right? Not with the bonus table. So somewhat we are getting a sense that we need to use outer join, right? With my left table as employee and my right table as bonus, right? So it would be left outer join employee with bonus. That is definitely sure. Now whenever you consider that, okay, I'm using this type of join, whether it is outer join or inner join, you need to have a visualization that these would be my output tuples. So let's say if I'm thinking of using an outer join, right? So then employee ID would be there, my name would be there, and let's print bonus also. So what would be the result of this outer join? Sorry, left outer join. So that we need to keep in mind. So definitely all of the employee ID present in the left table would always be there in my result and output. So Brad, John, Dan, and Thomas, all of them would be there. Also, there would be a bonus. Now, if I clearly see that there is no record for an employee ID 3 in my bonus table. So that means it would be populated with null value. Similarly, for employee ID 1, there is no output, so it would be populated with null. For 2, there is a bonus of 500, and for employee ID 4, the bonus is of 2,000. Now, if you clearly see the output, we also need to print this employees who do not have any bonus also. See, if you could see, Brad and John do not have any bonuses, so we need to also print null in that case. And Dan has a bonus of less than 1,000, so that is also present in my output result. Now, this record is eliminated because my bonus is greater than 1,000. So this is pretty much clear about that. So, so this is what I wanted you all to think of that whenever you try to use what kind of join, you should have a visualization of that. This would be present in my result. So clear-cut example would be I will be moving to editor and I'll start coding the solution. Um, yeah. So as my general way, I always try to first figure out what tables I need to join and then only I write the select clauses, which pulls out the necessary attributes. So we need to join an employee table. I'm aliasing it as E. We need to use outer join, so I'm using left join, and we need to use bonus. We need to join with bonus, and there is an on condition as well because we have a common attribute in both of the tables. So in case if you use inner join and if you do not specify on clause, it will definitely take on its own that employee ID is a common attribute. So in case of left join, I need to join it with on the basis of employee ID. So this is pretty much clear. I mean, this is the easiest thing which we can have. Also, we are given that we need to create only employees who have a bonus of less than 1000. So I'm doing like this. Bonus is less than 1000. So this is also pretty much clear. What we need to pull? We need to pull employee's name and bonus. So this is pretty much easy format so that you once you have the aliases, once you have the conditions, you can definitely pull out the necessary attributes from the resultant joins. So let's try to run this code. Yeah, so we have tried to run this code and we are getting a wrong result, right? We are only getting a result. So this is our output and this is what is expected. So we are only getting a result of Dan, which is 500. So now if I go back to my one node, we are for Dan, we are getting 500. Yeah, so definitely Dan is the correct result, but we are missing out some records, right? Now, see, my left join still gave me all of the records, right? But still in my result, and I could not find a record with employee ID 3 and 1. Why is that so? Because we are having one where condition where we are restricting b dot bonus less than 1000, right? So now this is not taking care of these null values, right? So we need to somehow include this also. So how will we do that? So we will just add one more condition or b dot bonus is null. So now if I try to run it, yeah, we are getting the expected result, but it is also counting out the null. So this is the simplest solution which we can have for this problem. We try to submit it. Yeah, it is also getting accepted on the server. Also, I would highly recommend you to go through the discussion section. Also, if you have any other approach to solve this problem, do mention in this comment section. We'll definitely try to pin that comment. And in SQL, again, I'm mentioning it again that you cannot have one solution. There could be multiple different solutions in which you can achieve the result. So keep thriving and keep learning. In the next video, we'll solve another problem. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to like and subscribe.